Hi everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter not contain to and not equal to in Google Sheets. So here I've already have some data, and this is the value and this is the data, and I want to filter it. The first one is using the not contain not equal to. So in this case, you can just use the filter formula and then choose the range. The range is the whole data, and then comma and choose the condition. So in this case, the condition is this value right here. And then if you're going to filter the not equal to, so in this case I'm not going to find I'm going to insert all the data except or not equal to 1. So you can just click on less than and then greater than and then click on 1 and close it and click on enter. So now the data is filtered by not equal to 1. So the data ones right here, not include in this. Or you can also change it into, for example, 5, and it will change accordingly like that. Then you can also filtering by the value or the alphabet in here, the words in here. So you can just change the condition. In this case, the condition is the second columns in here, and then the not equal to. In this case, I'm going to, for example, banana, and click on enter, and here all the data except banana is included in here like that. So that's the first or the easiest way to filter not contain and not equal to. So there are the second more advanced way, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you also need to use the filter, but there is also more than that. So now I'm going to filter this data not contain the for example the letter P in it. So here you can just use filter and then choose the range in here, and then after that, oops, use the regex match function, this one's right here, and then after that choose the tags. So in this case, this one's right here, and then comma, and in here after comma you can click on the double quotation and then dot and asterisk, and then here I'm not going to include or not equal to words that includes P words. So just click on P in here and then dot and asterisk again, and then close with parenthesis and click on enter. Oops. Okay, so there's I forgot to add this in the formula, so you need to put the double quotations in here, and then after that close it and quotation and then click on false, and after that click on enter. So here the data is not contain the p words in it, so this only name of fruits that is not contain p on it. So grapes and apple is not included in this because the condition is not contain the word p in it. Okay guys, so I hope you understand what I convey in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.